Welcome students, welcome to the English Club where search comes to an end. Today's topic is determiner. It is the last parts of speech. There are 9 parts of speech and the last part of speech is determiner. What is determiner? A determiner is a word that introduces a noun. It always comes before a noun, not after. And it also comes before any other adjectives used to describe the noun. For further detail, we will go for the explanation. Now, determiner. What comes under it? Demonstrative pronouns and adjectives. Possessive pronouns and adjectives. We have already learned both the topics in the pronouns itself. Articles. The third part. Cardinal and ordinal. We will go through with all these topics in detail, so do not worry about it. Each and every part of this determiner will be explained to you. So let's proceed. First, demonstrative pronouns and adjectives. This, that, these, those. These are the 4 words which are to be considered as demonstrative. So now sometime these 4 words are playing role of pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and sometimes they are playing the role of demonstrative adjectives. For further clarification, you can just go through the video of pronouns where you will get the idea. Now please pay attention to these sentences. This is my book. That is my book. These are my books. Those are my books. These are the starting words of the sentence. Now pay attention to this. All underlined words are demonstrative pronouns. Means here these words are playing a role of demonstrative pronouns. Just to add something, if you want to look at these particular things, these are my book, my book, my books, my books, my. It's a possessive. So here this is possessive adjective. So demonstrative pronouns, we have this. So we are basically paying attention to demonstrative pronouns and adjectives. So here these 4 words are playing the role of demonstrative pronouns. Now we will go forward with possessive pronouns and adjectives. So what are the different possessive pronouns? We have already understood it, means we have already learned it. My, your, our, its, her, his, their. These are the possessive pronouns. Now we will see a few sentences where your doubts will be cleared. Here you will get these possessive pronouns and adjectives simultaneously. My best friend is a dog. My, it is underlined. All underlined words are possessive pronouns or adjectives. I like your watch. I like your watch. Here it is playing a role of possessive adjective. Watch is a noun and your here is possessive adjective. This is our classroom. This is our classroom. This is our classroom. Depends. Pronunciation varies. Which is his bag? His. Honesty is her best quality. Her. The tree shed its leaves. Its. So all underlined words are possessive pronouns and adjectives. All these things come under determiner family. All these are the members of determiner family. Next we have articles. There are 2 kinds of articles. There are 2 types of articles. Don't get confused. There are 3 types of articles. Sorry. There are only 2 types of articles. They are definite article and indefinite article. Definite article we have the. We will be dealing with the article video afterwards, but just for an information I would like to again recall, I would like to again tell you that there are only 2 types of articles. One is definite article and other is indefinite article. Definite article consists the and indefinite article consists a and an. For the detailed clarification, kindly watch the video of articles. Thank you. Next we have cardinal and ordinal. So don't get confused. Cardinal means what? whenever we have numbers 1 which is in written ONE1 TWO2 THREE 3 1 2 3, I have 3 friends, I have 4 friends, I have 5 pens with me. At that particular manner we need to write these kind of sentence in English, or these kind of words in English. So they are considered as cardinal. It comes in cardinal category. Ordinal means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. These are the things. So these particular things, these particular types are used in English language, but just we have to clear in our mind that determiner consists possessive adjectives and pronouns, demonstrative adjectives and pronouns, articles, cardinal, ordinal. All these things are to be considered the properties of determiner. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Now we have already completed our 9 parts of speech. Fine, if you have any other doubts related to parts of speech, feel free to ask. Thank you very much.